This is Transfagarash Highway in Romania, the best road in the world. I know, it sounds pompous, but this is not only my opinion.
We were wrong! This is better than the Stelvio! This is the best road in the world!
Yes, Top Gear also thinks so. And who am I to argue with Jeremy Clarkson? Tomorrow, I'm gonna check this highway, on my tiny car. Yes, on this one.
Very excited about that.
This road was built by Nicolo Ceausescu, the odious Romanian dictator, initially for military purposes. Ceausescu was afraid that USSR would attack Romania, and he needed a mountain path that would connect two regions of the country. Any sane leader would never have built such route. Amount of human and economic resources that were spent on construction was enormous. 6,000 tons of dynamite was spent on explosions. At least 40 people died during construction process, because it's insane to build road in such place. The route rises to 2,000 meters in the Romanian mountains, and this is really crazy mountain serpentine. All the time, S-shaped turns, and you move and feel the air getting colder as we move higher to the mountain. Okay, now short stop to warm and to fly. The most interesting part on route begins here. Very steep ascent into the gorge. It's July now, but here still is a snow in some places. You know, initially I assumed that it would be a steep ascent on my Cabrio, but it's impossible. I'm making stops every 5 minutes, just because views are incredible. And this serpentine, you know, it feels like it was painted by a drunk artist, and I just can't stop saying how amazing it is. You need to come here not only to ride, but also to enjoy this beauty. Never thought I'd say this, but thank you, Ceausescu, for such awesome highway. Here, you don't want to drive fast. You just want to enjoy the moment in allowed 40 kilometers per hour. It's amazing, just unreal. Okay, seems we're at the highest point. I think it's the highest point of Cableway. Further road will go for the mountains. Altimeter shows we're on 6,500 feet high. I thought that the route was over and I can say bye, but as there was ascent, there must be descent. So, enjoy! Guys, the most tough heart will be broken. Take sedative, girlfriend, cameras, and come here. It's really a magic place. I realized that it's really time to finish my filming because I've been driving 90 kilometers for 4 hours, and this road has no end. I have to turn off all cameras, turn on the music, and just enjoy this beauty. Because I'm just going crazy about this place.